Hey guys, so today I'm doing an unboxing video of the Ramton side to side fridge, no frost. So we got it from Carrefour and it came with this box. As you can see, it's a huge box, 81 kg, 73, yeah, those are the dimensions. So this is the fridge. I don't know if you can see clearly, but this is the fridge. That's my baby. So the fridge has a inverter compressor technology, comes with a 5-year warranty, and it is a 2-star with 5 and 15. This is the electricity that it consumes per year, 15 kilowatts per year. So meaning it consumes less than a token in a day. Yeah, it's a no frost. So let's open the fridge. So you can see the handles are here. We have handles here. We have the handles here and here. And also there are others here on top. I don't know if you can see here. So let's open the fridge. So this is the inside of the freezer. My angles are not that good, but I hope you can see where. This is the inside of the freezer. So it came with an ice maker, an egg tray, and the egg tray has 6 eggs, and this an extra ice maker tray. That's the freezer. You can see here inside it's white, here the other side is acrylic. It has one tray on each side. That's the freezer. So let's check out the fridge side. So the fridge side, it has a this control panel over here. It has some buttons that you just press and it will select for you the levels you want, the cold levels you want. So the both sides has 4 glass shelves, and the fridge part is wider than the freezer part. Yeah, you can see that's my baby. He is enjoying the fridge. So here is the same as the other side of the tray, is like that, white here, on the inside is plastic like, and the other side, on the front is acrylic. It's big enough for your vegetables. So on this side it has the four whatever door compartments. So let me open so that you can see. So there is the fridge, guys. It's so beautiful and spacious, and that's my boy. Yeah. So it came with this egg tray. I don't know if you can see. It has 6 egg tray. So in future I'll have to buy like the Kamukunji egg tray that comes with 30 pieces, and also an extra tray for ice. So I think that is pretty enough. I don't have to suffer anymore making ice cube. So I hope you have enjoyed the fridge tour. So the fridge, we got it on sale at Carrefour. It was going for 76 and something, and that sale, so the fridge came with it had a crack here and a crack here. We didn't mind because we knew that was why it had such a big discount. As long as the fridge was working, because we tested the fridge and it was working, we were okay with the few risk that came with it, the few damages, just that compartment over there and this one, but nothing that we can't handle, and for the discount we were okay with that. So that is the fridge. So the moment I'll start using it, I'll show you guys how I'm planning to use both my fridge, because I still have my Braham 210 no frost fridge that I'm currently using. So I will show you how I will organize it, and I'll go to Kamukunji and get a few organizers, egg trays, organizers and organizers. Yeah, so let me show you my current fridge that I'm still using. I've used it for 3 years because I saw someone asking how it is. Let me show you. So this is my current fridge. I got it from Jumia. Still using it, still loving it. Yeah, I got the other one because it is big, but I'm still intending to keep this one because we are in the farm, and when you're in the farm, you don't know when you're going to have a lot of excess food supply that you have to keep. So the Braham fridge from Jumia, got it at 40 something, 40k, and it's still standing strong. No noise, good service. Yeah. So on this side, I'll have to cook and store more cereals and meat. So thank you guys for watching. See you on a fridge update the moment I start using it. So kindly like, comment and subscribe. Road to 10,000, but let's also get to 6,000 first. And thank you. So bye.